Hello traders, FX Flip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the US dollar yen, I still think there's a very good possibility this is the end of a wave C. If that is the end of a wave C, then this will end up continuing the downtrend, probably eventually taking out this low over here for the beginning of the ABC, because that's what happens at the end of an ABC correction, whether you're talking about the monthly, the 1 minute, or anything in between. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it is starting to look like it is going out for a wave C. Now on the shorter time frames, I'll show you another possibility, but this does look like a 1, it does look like an A, B, and possibly going out for a C. Now on the shorter time frames, I do see the possibility that it already ended a correction right here, and that this move up is a correction to just this move down, and that it's going to make a lower high and just keep on trending down, which I still think is a very likely possibility, but I also see that the pattern would probably be even much clearer if it went up again to make a proper ABC of 2 before it really did continue down. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, I do see 3 waves up right here. It looks like a ABC, and then this move down to me looks like a trend, not a correction, which is why I'm still sticking to the idea that this move up right here is a correction to this move down right here. So hold on, so to this move down right here. So which is why I have my Fibonacci level on here, because if I do see a nice big impulsive move down at a Fibonacci level, that should prove to me that that is the end of a correction and that it's continuing the downtrend. So let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I definitely see an impulsive move down. I see a break of structure, which should prove that this uptrend, which is potentially a wave C, is complete. If that wave C is complete, that means that this move up right here is probably an ABC correction to this, and that this is probably going to make a lower high and just keep on trending down. So let's take it right down to the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we potentially have the end of a wave E right here. We do have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape down with a break of structure, which should prove that this wave E is over. And then we have impulsive up, corrective down, impulsive up. I would say it kind of turned right in the middle of these two fib levels. I wouldn't really say that I respected either of them, but it did make an impulsive move down, so that potentially could be the end of a correction right there. If it is, then this will keep on trending down. Now, like I've been saying for quite some time now, the US dollar yen is not really desirable for me right now because we have a lot of yen weakness versus dollar weakness. We don't want to trade weak versus weak, we want to trade weak versus strong or vice versa, which means that any patterns you see on this may be a little bit deceiving because the yen is driving it up and the dollar is driving it down, making for probably not a very reliable patterns that we see. So which is why I'm probably gonna, if I'm looking to trade a yen pair, I'll probably choose a different yen pair. If I'm looking to trade a dollar pair, I'll probably choose a different dollar pair. But if this is the end of a wave E, then that means that this is probably an ABC and that it probably will continue the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.